Today we will see different questions asked in interview. First one is angle of staircase, which is 25 to 40 degree. Here angle of staircase is, this is staircase, this is its ground, this is 25 to 40 degree. This is angle of staircase. Second is minimum and maximum height of riser, which is 150 to 200 mm. Here in staircase, this is riser and this is tread. This is riser and this is tread. So minimum and maximum height of riser is 150 to 200 mm and minimum and maximum height of tread is 250 to 300 mm. Fourth is minimum clear cover. Clear cover for footing is 50 mm, for slab is 20 mm, for column is 40 mm, for beam is 25 mm. So here, for example, this is steel of column, this is its ring, and this is outer surface of concrete. From rings to concrete is clear cover. So this is 40 mm for columns. Fifth is segregation. What is segregation? Segregation is separation of sand, cement and aggregates in concrete. It is due to improper water cement ratio and if concrete is poured from height more than 1.5 meter. Sixth is TMX. TMX is Thermax powered bars. This is type of steel bar. Seventh is bleeding. Bleeding is separation of concrete and water. Water separates and comes on top while concrete settles in bottom. This is due to improper mix. It is angle of stirrups hook, which is 135 degree. This is a stirrup or ring. This is its hook. So angle of this hook is 135 degree. Next is DPC. DPC is damp proof course, a layer of waterproof material in the wall of a building near the ground to prevent rising damp or water is DPC. Thickness of DPC is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inches. 11th is, what is this thing written in a steel bar? TMT/500/10. TMT as we know is thermomechanically treated bars. It is a type of bar and 500 means minimum yield strength of a bar. 10 is dia of a bar. 12th, carpet area according to RERA. Floor area of an apartment excluding external walls, balcony or veranda, shafts, terrace, lift, stairs, outside the house, lobby, garden, swimming pool, but include the internal walls and internal staircase, that is inside the house, is carpet area. Basically carpet area is the area excluding walls but including internal walls, excluding external walls, including internal walls. Everything inside a wall of your flat is carpet area. 13th is built up area. Carpet area plus external wall thickness, balcony, terrace, staircase, but excluding lift and ducts or shafts and include lift wall area is built up area. Built up area contains everything in a building except ducts and lift shafts. 14th is super built up area. Built up area plus garden area plus swimming pool plus clubhouse is super built up area. Generally we use carpet area and built up area in construction. Dowel rods in roads. This is a concrete road and these are dowel bars for further extension of a road. So minimum 12 mm dia is used for dowel bars in roads. Thank you.